we are going to play White Viper by Andromeda Software. And this is a game I've never beaten before because it is ridiculous. I'm going to use a trainer for infinite lives, and we'll probably keep a death counter. That was kind of fun on my Barbarian video. See how many times I died on the way to victory. Just to show that there is no way I ever would have done this in real life with no cheats. See, this camera needs some fixing. Hopefully that's better. Actually, I can look at myself. Alright, I'm a little bit more centered. Alright, and instead of waiting, I should probably just press the button. Yeah? Yeah. My copy of White Viper, I don't believe, had this title screen, so I'm sure mine was cracked, and or this title was added by people who cracked it. I have no idea. Unlimited lives, yes. No decreasing bonus time, no. Horse can walk on water, no. No collision with Swamp Fairy, no. No collision with cannonballs, no. Horse is already feeded, you mean fed, no. No collision with evil spirits, no. Commodore key for level skip, no. Okay. So this is the game. Level 1, you are this warrior dude trying to protect the princess from evil spirits coming out of the woods. And you can only walk left and right. You see the spirit coming, you stab it with your sword. They get faster and faster. Oops, that sucks. So the princess is already gone. Now they're gonna take my armor next. Oops, there goes my armor. God. So, oh my god, alright. So normally I do better than this. The only point of this level is every spirit you kill before they steal your stuff gives you an extra life to a maximum of 7 lives. Okay, level 2 is I decided to go tame a wild horse for some reason. So what you do is you build some sort of corral, and then those spirits will come out and steal your pieces every once in a while, but you just like put them down again and you're fine. Alright, and then big thing here is the horse has some sort of programmed behavior where it runs from you. It's kind of hard to explain. He also gets to use wraparound physics, which don't work for us. Alright, there we go. See, it's not too hard once you just need to get him in a corner. Okay. Okay. See, the scrolling is still pretty bad in this game. Okay. So then, I think these islands are somewhat randomized. Yeah, and you have to be lined up like just right. Alright, let's see if this is good enough. Alright, there's the first death. Oh, see, I'm not even lined up right. Alright, am I lined up now? And that's the other thing, it's like, yeah, I'm still not lined up right. God. So I'd already have a game over by now. Alright, I am definitely lined up now. And then the controls, I press to the right, and then how long I press the button is how far my horse jumps. Ugh. And then if the ferry collides with you, it will drive you back over to land and or kill you, because it will drop you into the water. Also, that's a weird ass looking fairy, that's all I can say. And there I was literally on the land and I still fell in the water. Like, this would be hard enough without that stupid fairy. I don't even know how to do this. Just died anyway. So stupid. Nope. Gee, I wonder why I never beat this game as a kid. And then I don't even know, am I actually lined up? Yeah. It's just like the hitboxes are completely unforgiving. I was lined up. Oh, and then I have to get my armor back, but I only can grab the ones that are glowing. So even though the sword's right there, I can't get it until I am told to get it. It's so stupid. I don't even know if I'm lined up because the hitboxes are so bad. Okay. God. Alright guys, am I gonna have more deaths than my barbarian video, or what do you think? Yeah, and then like I start making progress and the stupid flippin' fairy shows up. Like, what the hell? Oh. And that time the fairy missed me, but I fell in the water anyway because I was all freaked out. How do you think you can land on this one? Oh, okay. What? And then it glitches and the fairy wasn't even touching me. Ooh. I like this. I can follow the fairy for a while. And why? Oh my god. Where's the glowing piece of armor I'm supposed to get? And how would I ever do this on even 7 lives, let alone 3? Fairy, you're just salt in the wound. Oh my god. Like, I want to jump up, but like... It is so unforgiving. You can see the spray of water jump up on the land that I should have landed on. Okay, that time I missed, but... Oh my gosh. Yeah, my time bonus is still going. Okay. Yeah, and I can't even line up with the stupid land. I have this, like, idea. Let's go around this freaking swamp. Because seriously, my dude, I know it might take a little bit extra time. My gosh. Obviously, I'm not lined up if I fell in. What? Also, I haven't been paying attention to what's going on with my time bonus. I'm assuming my trainer has something to do with it. Like maybe if your time bonus runs out and you're out of... Oh gosh. Like maybe when your time bonus runs out, you die or something, and then the game doesn't know what to do. Just gotta follow this fairy. Yeah, you're being a creep to me, I'll be a creep to you. Oh yeah, let's go then. Oh yeah. Where the how am I supposed to jump across all this stuff? You can't jump that far. They literally have made it impossible. So after all that, I find out these platforms are semi-randomly set up. And apparently they can be set up in a way that is... This game's so glitchy. Why? Why did I fall in the water? And why is the fairy even a thing? Like, did they ever playtest these games? Oh my gosh. Yeah, like, how am I actually supposed to get past that part? My horse don't jump that far. Like, it's literally impossible. I think I'm gonna have to start over. Although I'm really curious with this time bonus thing. Okay, so the time runs out and then what happens? Just sitting here for no reason. Yeah, so what, does it look like it... Like maybe that would have killed me, but I have infinite lives? I don't know. Okay, alright, it's gonna be a little bumpier as I reload the game, because what the heck? Alright, so I restarted the game. Hopefully it won't be as embarrassing this time with how badly I fought the spirit last time. And I added no decreasing time bonus just because it was distracting me a lot last time. So maybe each time I start over I'll add a new cheat. Okay, come on, come on, come on, come on. Oh my gosh! Die! Die! Real aggressive, oh. I got 4 lives this time. Oh. I can just like... Okay. Of course, when I was just doing it for practice, I got 7 lives, and then when I'm recording, I get 3 lives, and then 4 lives, you know? Okay. Oh. There's so many things in this game, just like kick you while you're down kind of things. Like that, like what? Why? The game's hard enough as it is. I just had this guy just come up and kick you while you're down. Alright, well. I really don't know what I'm doing. I like this shape though, it's cool. Okay, gotta make the horse wrap around the world, because he's a weird horse. Alright. Oh my gosh, he ran away. Oh my gosh. Okay. Let's make it a little bit wider then. Oh. Oh well, whatever. This horse. It's like pseudo... It's pseudo randomized, but like... Mostly he moves away. Oh, I didn't realize he could wiggle through diagonally. There. Now you can't. Okay. There. Should just get stuck in there now. What? He can wiggle through the fence. I didn't know that. Oh. just the way it is, isn't it? Like, last time I made it look all kind of easy, and now this horse just does whatever he wants. Bends the laws of physics. Moves through fences he's not supposed to be moving through. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Oh my gosh. But what's the point? He can just wiggle through the fences anyway. There. Oh, I need like a dash button. This is so ridiculous. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Oh my gosh. Oh. Screw this horse. Hey, you know what? Guess who gets to round with me repeatedly in the next level, okay? Oh my god, this horse. Swear, this is not a game. This is a psychological torture experiment. Oh, you want a horse? Nope. No horse for you. He's just gonna wrap around the world while you slowly run after him. And he's gonna juke when you jive, or what? I don't know, what am I saying? Come on, come on! Oh! Oh! Oh my god! He'll phase through walls, because that's what this horse does. Okay, well, can I have some swamp islands that actually are possible? Yeah, this is super boring, so maybe I'll turn off the time bonus next time. Boo, 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 boo. Okay. I remember as a kid playing this game so much, and then you get like a good island configuration, but then you die, and the next time you play the game, and the configuration was no good again. Like this. Like, how is this game fair? And this time I'm like doing it in the first try. See that? First try. I don't have to re-get the items though, do I? Oh my god, can you imagine that? You have to get the items again? Man, screw this. I gotta scout my way to the end before I get going. Man! Can you imagine how impossible that would have been? Oh yeah, okay. I just go back up to where the helmet was. Top row is actually fairly safe up there. Can you imagine that though? That one where it's impossible to actually do it, and then you have to get all 3 items. And then the game cheats because the fairy wasn't even anywhere near me. Oh my god. Okay. I think this will do it. Except there's a lot smaller islands on this one. One of those games where if you've not experienced the controls yourself, you're probably just wondering what the heck is wrong with me. Yeah, so I never beat this level. This is the 3rd level out of 5. Oh. Okay, the fairy actually kind of spooked me and I just jumped in the water. Oh my gosh. One wrong move, man. One wrong move. Oh. Yeah, and sometimes the fairy will drop you in the water. It's not supposed to, but it does, because, you know, that's the kind of game this is. Oh my gosh. Okay, let's see if we can follow the fairy this time. Actually, I'm gonna wonder. Oh my gosh. He's making the vertical jumps. Alright, I have an idea though. I have a better idea. I told you. Sometimes the fairy just drops you in the water because the fairy's a jerk. Okay. No, really, I have a better idea. Oh. What? Oh my gosh. Do these sound like the laughs of a sane man? Oh my gosh. Alright. I know not a lot of people watch my channel, but like, seriously? I'd like to know if anybody ever beat this game in real life, because what the hell? Oh, I overjumped and the fairies. Okay, that's cool. That's cool. I cannot stress enough the controls. Like, the amount of time you spend holding down the button determines how far your horse jumps, but I also have to be pressing to the right. It's so bizarre. Like, if I turned on the cheat, no collisions with fairy, I would still probably die about 20 times trying to beat this level. I'm just gonna die, I'm sure. Yeah. Also, again, what the heck kind of fairy is that? That's like a... It's like a moth, but like... the creepy face, it's like almost human. Why? 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 Oh my god. Why? just why? You think some of these islands weren't on the right y-axis or something? Okay, so this is what I was wondering. Yeah, I don't think the fairy steals my items. So as long as the fairy doesn't do that thing where it just drops me in the water. Oh, God, these vertical jumps. Oh. I don't know if I am going to be able to do a death counter. Oh. Like, I'll be sitting there for hours putting in the numbers. These vertical jumps. They shouldn't be this hard. Ugh. I don't even know, like, what is the range of jumping that this horse can do? Oh. There's obviously a minimum and a maximum. Okay, follow this fairy. I thought I was gonna overjump that. So like that jump was within its like this is gonna kill me unless I go for the second island. Oh, and the fairy kills me. Thanks, fairy. I don't want to call it fairy. Thanks, mutant moth monster. And it cheated again. That's great. And I don't know if there's like a small medium jump, like small medium large jump. Like I don't quite. Definitely one of those situations where I'm getting to be like an expert at a game that nobody has ever heard of. Oh. Oh my god, these vertical jumps. It's like the best you can do is hope for the fairy to get glitched out and just never appear. Okay. Now there's no guarantee that the fairy is actually going to safely carry me back to the other shore. Because it's been known to just drop me whenever it feels like it. No fairies appearing for some reason. Okay. Wish I was safe state abusing right now. Every vertical jump is a chance for me to die. Like that? Why? Ah, so close. You might wonder why I'm doing this. I really don't know. I will not feel more fulfilled when I'm done. I don't think. I think I'll just feel disappointed with myself. There's a small part of me that is like, okay, maybe I'll just like share this video with my brother and be like, look, I finally beat this dang game. See? This game cheats. The fairy is not supposed to drop me in the water. Oh, I wonder if this is a GoldenEye thing. So when the Nintendo 64 came out, and I tried playing GoldenEye for the first time, I was awful at it. I could not figure it out. Always wanted to like line up my shots all perfect and stuff, and I couldn't because Nintendo 64 controllers. No. Screw you, fairy. That's cheating. And then I watched my friend Ian playing the game, and basically I just like watched him, and he just like ran around corners and like shot from the hip and shot from the hip. Am I saying that right? Okay. And just pretended like, oh, cheating flippin' fairy. And so like I was like, okay, I'll play GoldenEye again. And I just like ran around at full speed and pretended I knew what I was doing. And suddenly, like, it was easy. Why I bring that up? I think this game preys on your fears. So if I just pretend that I'm good at this game, maybe I'll be good at this game. See? Confidence. That is not the laugh of a sane person. Oh. Alright. I'm gonna see. I always forget people's names when I'm in the middle of a video. I should like write them down or something. But I have my friend from Finland, and he has a really interesting knowledge of random Commodore 64 games, so I'm curious if he has this one. In case you're wondering who he is, he's the one that always has cats going on in his stuff. But like I said, I just forget their names when I'm in the middle of the video. Alright. What? No, you're supposed to get me. Screw you, fairy. Screw you. I don't know, maybe it's not the best strategy. Just seems like it would have been a shortcut, you know? See that? I'm getting good at this obscure game. I really don't like this part, though. Uh-huh. There's so much that can go wrong. Like that. Yeah, basically try to stay away from those small islands whenever you can. Like, I'm not looking forward to this part. Don't do it, fairy. Okay. That's gonna drop me in again. It's not funny. Okay, a little jump, big jump, little jump. Let's try it. Little jump, big jump, fudge. Ooh, almost got me to swear for real. I do my best, keep it clean. I'm a teacher of small humans, and sometimes they figure out the name of my channel, and I don't want them telling their parents what I get up to if it's inappropriate stuff. And yes, sometimes I make them play old games. Well, not make them. We do Friday, kind of like a Friday fun kind of thing. And I have an old laptop that I kind of messed it up where I broke the monitor. So I have it hooked up to a monitor in my classroom. Yeah. And I am running Bato Sarah on that. I don't know if I'm saying that right. But it's a Linux distro that's for playing retro games, basically. Imagine like RetroPie, not Pi, it's not a Pi, it's Linux. I don't know. Come to think of it, I don't remember what the Linux distro is. That's just retro games. I guess you can think of it like RetroPie. But supposedly Botchacera has better performance. And so far I have very few complaints with it. Although I do remember trying to play the Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles Nintendo game, there was a lot of problems with like sprite flicker and stuff, but I think that was inherent in the original game, but it was like hidden. This fairy breaks its own rules, it's ridiculous. Because one thing about Nintendo games is Nintendo games cut off the side of the screen, but like used what it had cut off to accomplish certain things. And I think Botchacera reveals what's going on in the borders, which is super distracting in games like Ninja Turtles when there's like a ton of stuff going on over there. I think the last time a game drove me this crazy might have been Stunt Cycle. Why do these jumps have to be so freaking precise, man? This game would be 3 times better if the hitboxes were just a little bit more forgiving. Like there, I should have landed on the island. And then especially since I can't control the exact pixels that my horse jumps, like that. Just a couple more pixels on that hitbox, or whatever you want to call it, for where I land. It would be a way better game. Instead, like I said, this is much more like a psychological experiment. If any of y'all have ever actually beat this game in real life, I need to know your secret. I feel like I've gotten crazy good at this game. And it doesn't matter, because you just keep dying anyway. hate how small the island is right there. Every jump is a chance. Okay, you guys saw that, right? I landed the jump and then just randomly died. No pixels move when I'm not jumping. Actually, I'd be fascinated. There's people who do deep dives in code sometimes. Be fascinated to know why the code in this game is so bad. Oh, there's no way I'm gonna be able to land on that sword. He's gonna drop me in the water, isn't he? Like, I heard the music, I'm like, something weird's gonna happen, because... Oh, man. Okay. Please, 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 let this be the time. Freaking A, man. I beat level 3. I don't even want to look at how much time has passed. It's gonna be something weird, like I forgot to plug my microphone in, or Forgot to hit the record button. Oh, okay. 41 minutes. And my microphone's green light is on. Okay, definitely don't put the time bonus on because that's a waste of time. Okay. Yeah, it's 6 in the morning here. Woke up at 4 in the morning with the Charlie horse. Stop. Why would I want 5 emails from you? Okay, so something about cannons and eating flowers, so let's see what happens. Oh. Just boom. And then, like, imagine it's taking you like a million tries to get across the swamp, right? Yeah. So I guess the storyline is that your horse is hungry now, so the perfect place to eat would be right outside the enemy castle. It's shooting cannonballs at you. Imagine that though. You've just spent an hour getting good enough to get across the swamp. You make it. You actually have no idea what's going on in this scene because you've never been here before. Boom, cannonball blows you up. Okay. So, I don't know. At least this is kind of easy, I guess. I think I need to wash this game out with a good game. Okay. Well, at least this level wasn't that hard. Oh, so now we can run again. Oh god, are you kidding me? Okay. Okay, I get it now. This is ridiculous. What on earth? I want to find the people who made this game. I want to strap them to a chair. I want to strap them to a chair and not let them out until they have beaten this game. I'm like, no, please, please. It was just a prank. It wasn't supposed to hurt anyone. Oh, it hurt someone. It hurt someone. Oh my god. You like how the first time I got all the way through, I'm just like, oh, this is easy. My horse slowly shuffles into the cannonball. Okay. Again, can you imagine how long in real life it would have taken you? Also, why is it machine gunning? How long would it take you in real life to get good enough to beat that stupid swamp? And then you find out that this is your next level. And there's just cannonballs killing you. And consistently, because sometimes it rapid fires and sometimes it doesn't. I say I'm going to watch this out with a good game, but knowing me... Oh my god, I can't believe I'm still playing this game. Horse slowly shuffles along. Oh, that was pure luck that it didn't kill me. Could you maybe stop shooting your cannonballs at me for a couple minutes? My horse is tired. Okay. I don't know how to control the horse. Obviously, the control scheme changes in every level of this game. It changes within the level. Because the horse can still walk, but then it can also run, jump or whatever it was doing. And shuffle, 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 shuffle. Just keep moving. Just keep moving. Don't let them get a lock on you. Whoa. I think I had a dream about the Nintendo Top Gun game last night. And I don't know why I would be dreaming about that game, because it was very little significance to me. Didn't like it that much. Vague memories of renting it as a kid and being being like, oh, I can never get past the third level. Can never get past. I mean, the training mission was hard enough for people who aren't that good at games, but whatever one where you actually had to like blow up the ships, that was the first one I had. Just start talking about whatever. Like, this level is something else. It is simultaneously super hard and super boring. How do you manage that? I mean, if the cannonball desires to fire at me while my horse has his head down, I'm dead. And as we've seen, the cannonball can rapid fire, so it's not like, oh, let the cannonball fire, then eat. Yeah, no, it can just shoot whenever it feels like it. Oh man. Why is this making me want to play Save Me, Brave Knight? The game's actually a little bit more fun. Oh! Oh! Okay, I am going to start over on this side because this is ridiculous. See? It can shoot as often as it feels like. I don't even want to know what my death counter's up to. What do you guys think? 50? It's gotta be more than 50. See? See? That is not cool. And again with the hitboxes. Hitboxes are great at killing me, not so great for getting my horse to actually eat the stupid flowers. And maybe you shouldn't be eating flowers, maybe you should be eating oats or something. Maybe I should have brought my own oats. Maybe I could just abandon my horse, but I guess I need him to jump across the moat, huh? Horse is like, dude, you made me jump across the entire swamp. Oh my god. Oh my god. So, I'm reasonably good at video games, you guys. I know you can't always tell. But I am reasonably good at video games. If I can't beat this game with infinite lives, there's something wrong. Just trying to see if maybe if it's easier to dodge up and down. You're kidding. Okay, I was like, what? It like froze up for a while. Like even the game can't handle its own gameness. I don't think that helps. It still just kills me whenever it feels like it. So, this song is pretty good for about a minute. The sound effects were pretty good when it was just the spirits. Oh my gosh. So, explain the controls. Once I've eaten all the flowers, I appear able I appear able to, I can still move in any direction, but if I press the button, I jump to the right. So that's something you have to get used to, I guess. Yeah, let's run this scenario by our playtesters. You need to dodge a cannon while riding a horse that's too tired, so it barely moves. And because the horse is tired, you need to make it eat 30 clumps of flowers. I just wanted to die there. It's just like, go ahead, get me. Let's get out of our system. Just kill me a couple more times. I don't trust this thing. See, and oh my gosh. You know, when I'm getting quiet, I'm getting all serious. Okay, or the game could just glitch up and the cannon could stop firing. That'd be awesome. I do wonder what the heck the code is. Is there like a hidden timer, you know? I mean, I should be able to do this with how much easier it is to dodge. The cannonballs actually have to like make their way over to me before they kill me. Come on. Come on. Almost want to save state, but I'm not doing that this run. That wouldn't be a fair death counter. Okay, so I can still walk slowly. This is so ridiculous. Oh my god. Okay, final level. Something about opening doors and monsters and a wizard. And again, don't put infinite time bonus on there because this is so boring. I do wonder about the playtesting that they did. Like, could the makers of this game actually beat their... Whoa, I'm fast. What the heck? I'm so fast I'm glitching up the scrolling. Okay. Why is this so fast? It's so bizarre. Now let me guess, the princess is only behind one of them. And then if I die, I bet all the doors close, because that's how this game works. Yep. So I'm eventually going to win just from luck, is what I was going to say. So after surviving all that mayhem, you have like a 1 in 10 chance of winning, and then more likely you're just going to get killed by some random monster. Congratulations, you are the king. Ooh, well I have colors now, that's pretty cool. Game over. Uh-huh. Well, at least I got like a victory screen, I guess. The music never stops, though. It just keeps going, doesn't it? Okay, I beat it. I am finally free of this. I am embarrassed to see what the death counter is. At this point, I'm thinking like 80 or possibly even 100. It's gonna be a long time editing this video, but it is what it is. Alright, another game that I've beat that I'm no longer haunted by from my youth. Do I feel better? No. No, I don't feel better. Oh well. See you guys next time. Okay. Alright guys. Am I gonna have more deaths than my barbarian video? Or what do you think?